Hello everyone, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to delete TikTok Shop Seller Center account. So this is going to be quite explanative type of video, and yeah, so before we dive into the video, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video, using which you can now donate to our channel. So it is going to be super amazing if you actually do that. Alright, now the first thing is you are going to be verifying your identity. Of course, if you are online on TikTok Shop official site, you're going to be verifying your identity. Make sure to simply enter in there your email, phone number, whatever they demand, and then you're going to be checking the criteria, and know that what is going to be happening once you delete your um, store or shop. So yeah, there are a few things that you need to clear before you delete your account, and then you are going to be verifying the policy and confirmation that is going to be coming up in there. And finally, you can um, head over to the final closure step, so you will no longer have access to your products and services and all that stuff, of course. And yeah, these are some of the steps that you can follow along, and the roadmap on how to close your TikTok shop or seller account. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Make sure to stick till the end of this video to as you did. If you did stick till the end of this video, thank you so much then, and it is going to be a huge value for us if you simply head over to the link in the description to donate to this channel and as a subscribe. So we are doing really hard work to fetch and search out these type of solutions and providing you guys direct information. So yeah, see you in the next videos, and until then, take care.